315 milliliters or 10.7 ounces or 1.5 cups. Cold milk. 10 grams or 2.5 teaspoons. Sugar. 7 grams or 2 plus 1/4 teaspoon. Dry yeast. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Get ready for the most wonderful aroma in your kitchen. Because inside this dough lies a hidden happiness. 450 grams or 15.9 ounces or 3.75 cups. Bread flour type 650.9 grams, 1.5 teaspoons salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Fast, Easy, Delicious has become one big family of nearly 100,000 people. Thank you all so much. No kneading, no folding, no overnight waiting. Just put 4 ingredients in a bowl and mix. That's it. There should be no dry flour left. If there's any dry flour in the bowl, moisten it slightly to make mixing easier. Be part of our 100,000 plus family. Hit subscribe and bake with us every week. Cover the dough and let it rise until doubled in size. Unfolded dough looks rough like this. Dust the dough with flour. Scrape the dough without pressing it down. Flour your fingers and stretch the dough out with your hands. If the dough sticks to the table, sprinkle a little flour. Spread 20 grams or 1.5 tablespoons soft butter over the dough. Use your hands to spread the butter. Mix 2 tablespoons sugar plus 1 teaspoon cinnamon and sprinkle on top. I coarsely ground 60 grams of walnuts. Spread the ground walnuts evenly. Fold the dough as I show and roll it up. This is the sweet touch: butter, sugar, cinnamon, and plenty of walnuts. Seal the seam of the dough. Bread pan size 21 by 11 by 5 centimeters. Cover and let it rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 428 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. For steam, place a bowl of boiling water at the bottom of the oven. Believe me, straight out of the oven, this bread is like a fairy tale. Brush the top with butter or cooking oil for a shiny, soft finish. Wrap the warm bread in a clean cloth for 10 minutes. The texture will be cloud-like. The bread shines beautifully. The buttery aroma is truly enchanting. The scent of cinnamon melting into butter. It's like a dream. Trust me, one slice will never be enough. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.